Never saw it as the start. Oh, it's a beauty, isn't it? Now I'm going to talk you through these chords. Ocean, colour scene, day we caught the train. We're going to start with an E minor and a D. And you hear it on the song. Never saw it as the start. Up to G, more a change of heart. Now we're then going to go to an F. Now I'm going to play my F this way. You can play it like this, or you could bar it. And that's going to be a bit more punchy now. Rapping on the windows, whistling down the chimney pot. Up to E, blowing out the dust in the room where I forgot I lay my plans in solid rock. Now, you might see it on the song B, but if you're playing around with open chords, the B7 works really, really well for that, okay? So I would try it that way, okay? So when you've hit the F, it goes up to E, then it goes to G, then D, it gets a little bit looser, D, C, and B7. Now we're then going to go little in the row and the roadside feeling it's a brighter day. Then again, picking up the trees in the roadside feeling it's a brighter day. So that's going E minor A, E minor A. Now, there's a little bit of a sneak now. You and I should ride the coast, wind up in our favourite coast just miles away. Now this chord, I mean, I love this chord. You've got D. Now this is B flat over A7. I've seen it with some other names as well, but I'm seeing this as an A7 chord. You might see it down as a kind of a diminished chord as well. And what happens from the A7, the first finger goes onto the A string and hits this B flat note. So you've got you and I should ride the coast, B minor, wind up in our favourite coast, B minor to A, just miles away, and then to E minor. If you don't like the B minor, I say this on most videos, you can do it this way, but try if you can and just push yourself a little bit. You and I should ride the coast, wind up in our favourite coast just miles away. Then we're going to hang on a G, roll a number, write another song, and then to A, we caught the train. Now then we're going to get into the signature part. Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, oh la. Really, really cool riff there, taken from the E minor pentatonic scale. Now, D, A, G, and E minor. That's your chorus. Oh la la. Try and give it a little bit of feel, a bit of rhythm. Okay. Oh la. Again, you're into sips another rum and coke. Then we're gonna go through the chords again. Okay. Through your F, walking like gradual, sucking on a number 10. Okay, so we do all that again. We do the you and I ride the coast, wind up in our. Do all that again. Do the chorus again, but then you and I find ourselves just waiting through tomorrow. That's A and D, and then when we're coming back, we're only getting back, cause you know I feel no sorrow. Now then we go back to our signature part, and believe it or not, at that point in the song, it just stays on those 4 chords and it goes on forever, and then eventually when you find the things that get wild, but don't you want days like these. But it's just a great, great feel-good. It's an anthem, really. It's a 90s anthem. You know, everybody that's into, you know, Oasis and Blur and a lot of the Britpop stuff, you know, everybody seems to like this song. And I should do more Ocean Colour Scene, I think, because I do think quite an underrated band, actually. I think, you know, they've got a hell of a lot of great songs. And I also have this belief that if Oasis were never around, I think these would have been, you know, probably a lot bigger. So have fun with that. There are a few sneaks, you know, the A7 with the B-flat bass, the B minor chord as well. Also as well, I've just introduced a couple of the new things online. I have now completed my first ever online guitar course. It's called the 10 Chord Course. There is a link below this, so please go check that out. If you're struggling with guitar chords and rhythms, then I've just created the course for you. It structures you of how to play songs from beginning to end and gives you a toolbox and some ammunition to really go at some songs. So click the link below, 10 Chords course. Could be for you. Please don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you for the latest subscribers. And if you're still watching this video, if you're still here, if you could pick between a digestive and a hobnob, what would you go for?